Hi, I'm Danielle from Karmo. Today I want to share how our fleet subscription model is transforming the way businesses manage vehicles, giving SMEs and corporate fleets greater flexibility, control, and efficiency. Traditional fleet ownership comes with many challenges like high upfront capital cost, underutilised vehicles, ongoing maintenance, and residual value risks. Often, seasonal or project-based demands mean fleets are oversized and underutilised, while also managing the complicated, expensive initiative of trying to reduce emissions through EV and hybrid options. That's where Karmo Fleet Subscription delivers immediate benefits. Our model allows you to subscribe to vehicles for short to mid-term requirements from just 1 month to 12-month arrangements without the burden of finance or long-term commitments. Our all-inclusive pricing covers registration, insurance, servicing, roadside assistance, turning what used to be a capital expense into a simple, predictable operational expense. Karmo Fleet Subscription enables you to improve utilisation by reducing your core fleet and adding vehicles only when needed. Scale your fleet up or down as needed for project-based or seasonal demand, giving your business agility and cost control. Lower emissions through reduced fleet size and easier access to EV and hybrid vehicles. Remove residual risk as Karmo takes care of the depreciation and resale. Access customised fit-outs for long-term vehicles, ensuring they meet operational requirements. Fleet subscription is more than just a way to access vehicles. It's a smarter, more flexible, and more sustainable solution for businesses. To explore how Karmo can help your fleet reduce cost, improve utilisation, and support your sustainability goals, reach out today. We'd love to show you the difference a subscription can make.